discussing about empty set. What means empty? Empty means there have nothing in it. Okay, so empty set means what? Inside the set they are having no elements. These are empty sets. So empty set is also known as void set or null set. Okay, here definition is given: a set which does not contain any element is called an empty set. Okay, so empty set is also known as what? Null set or void set. Null means what? Nothing. Void also nothing. Okay, so empty set means what? Having no elements. Okay, so let us discuss more examples related to this empty set. So here example is given as what? First example, set A is equal to x such that x is a natural number, and here limit is, that means condition is given as 1 less than x less than 2. So here what? X is a natural number. What is the natural number? Natural number means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. These are natural numbers. Here condition is given as between 1 and 2. X is between 1 and 2. In between 1 and 2 natural number is there? No. In between 1 and 2 they are having no natural numbers. So it is a null set or empty set. Okay, it is an empty set. Okay, that means natural number having what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So between 1 and 2, here condition is given as what? X is greater than 1 and less than 2. Between 1 and 2 they are having no natural number, so it is a empty set. Okay. Next example, what? Second one is set B is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number, and condition is here given as x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Here x is what? It's an odd natural number. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Odd natural number means what? 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. So odd natural numbers, what are odd natural numbers? What? 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. The condition is given as what? X square minus 4 is equal to 0. We have to put these values, odd natural numbers, into this condition and check whether it works or not. Okay, if you are getting 0 equal to 0, that is an element. At x is an element. But if you are not getting 0, this is not an element. Okay, so just check this one. Condition is what? X square minus 4. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, first we put x as 1, x equal to 1. Good. Condition is what? X square minus 4. That means 1 square minus 4. What is 1 square minus 4? 1 square is 1. 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. This is not equal to 0. So 1 is not satisfied this condition. Next one, x is equal to 3. Check. Let us check this one. Condition is what? X square minus 4. 3 square minus 4. What is 3 square? 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. 5. That is not equal to 0. So 3, x equal to 3 is not satisfying this condition. Next one, x equal to 5. X equal to 5. So condition is what? 5 square minus 4. 5 square is what? 25 minus 4. What? 21. This is not equal to 0. So x equal to 5 is not satisfying this condition. Like that, no odd numbers, odd natural numbers will not satisfy this condition. Okay, so what? They're having no elements inside this set. Okay, any odd numbers satisfying this condition? No, because number is getting more and more. Now here minus 3, here 5, here 21, etc. Increasing, number is increasing. So 0 will not get. Okay, so you can say that what? It is an empty set. Inside the set they have no elements. So it is an empty no element satisfying this condition, x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So it having no elements inside the set. Okay. Next question, third question is what? Set C is equal to y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. That means y is a common point inside a parallel lines. What is a parallel line? Parallel line means the lines are equidistant lines. No? Same distance is every place same distance is between them lines. They have same distance. So these two lines cannot meet. Okay. So common point is not in this parallel line. Okay. That means the two lines like this. That means one in upper part and one in lower part at same equal distance. Okay. So it cannot meet it at any point. The parallel lines cannot meet. So in parallel line, in the case of parallel line, there is no common point. So suppose it is the set is what? A null set or empty set. That means what? The question is what? Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Now no common point inside the parallel line is there. So it is an empty set. Okay. Here fourth question is what? X such that x is a natural number. Here two condition is given, x less than 5 and x greater than 7. So we have to satisfy these two conditions. Okay. For what is natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. that are natural numbers. Okay. So just draw the number line here. We have to satisfy both conditions. Okay. X less than 5 and x greater than 7. Any numbers are there, you have to check. Okay. So first condition is what? X less than 5. Up to 0, up to 1, that is natural number. X less than 5, what? Here, these numbers are x less than 5. These numbers satisfy this condition. X less than, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. These four numbers satisfy this condition. X less than 5. Okay. Next condition is what? X greater than 7. Here, greater than 7. What? These four numbers are greater than 7. X greater than 7. That means 8, 9, 10, 11, etc. These are greater than 7. These numbers satisfy this condition. That means we have to satisfy these two conditions. Okay. So any common numbers are there by satisfying these two conditions? No. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 8, 9, 10, 11. No common numbers are there. So no number satisfy these two conditions. Okay. Separately they can satisfy, that numbers can satisfy the condition, but this is combination. Two conditions is this. So let's satisfy both condition. Here no numbers satisfy, no common numbers between this condition. So what? This is an empty set. Okay. Fifth question is what? Set E is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number divisible by 2. Here condition is what? Divisible by 2. Okay. Odd natural numbers are divisible by 2. What are odd natural numbers? Odd natural numbers. What are odd natural numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. These are odd natural numbers. You have to check these numbers are divisible by 2 or not. If it is divisible by 2, these numbers divisible by 2, so it is not a null set. But cannot divisible by 2, it is a null set. Okay. So let's check. 1, we can divide 1 by 2. No. Okay. 3 by 2 we get any value? No. 5 by 2 divided by no. We cannot get any values here. Okay. If you divided an odd number by 2, we cannot get the answer. So what? Set having no elements. Okay. Because no odd numbers can divisible by 2. So set having no elements. So this set is an what? Empty set or a void set. This is an empty set. Okay. So I hope you understood this session very well. So in next sessions we later discussing about what are equal sets, subsets, etc. So thank you for watching. ഇന്നത്തെ സെഷൻ്റെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ട്സ് ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ ലിങ്ക് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ ലിങ്ക് ഒന്ന് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ മതി, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ട്സ് ലഭിക്കും. പിന്നെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സ് ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിനെ കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഡൗട്ട്സോ സജഷൻസോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എഴുതാവുന്നതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു ആൾ.